Welcome to TechFactory. Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey from coconut trees to the final products you use every day. We'll show you how coconuts are harvested, processed, and transformed into coconut cream, oil, coir fiber, and Cocopeat. 1. Harvesting coconuts manually. The process starts in the coconut plantations, where skilled workers climb tall trees or use long poles with sharp hooks to cut down the coconuts. Each coconut is collected with care, leaving younger coconuts to grow and keeping the trees healthy for future harvests. This sets the stage. Separating the core and husk. At the processing facility, the thick outer husk is removed, revealing the core, which holds the coconut meat and water. Separating the husk from the core is key to creating a range of products, from coconut oil to coir fiber and Cocopeat. Processing the husk for fiber and Cocopeat. The husk is then processed to make two valuable products: coconut. Fiber, coir. Machines pull out the fibrous parts of the husk, known as coir, which is then cleaned and dried. Coir fiber is durable and biodegradable, ideal for making ropes, mats, and even eco-friendly plant pots. Cocopeat. The remaining part of the husk is ground into Cocopeat, a natural soil additive that holds moisture well, making it perfect for gardening and agriculture. It's often compacted into bricks for easy storage and use. Processing the core for coconut cream and oil. Inside the core, we find the white coconut meat, which is used to make both coconut cream and oil. Coconut cream. The meat is shredded and pressed, squeezing out rich coconut cream, which is then filtered and sterilized. This creamy product additional pressing to separate the oil. This pure coconut oil is then filtered, refined, and packaged, ready for a wide range of uses. 5. Sterilizing, filling, and packaging. Both the coconut cream and oil go through a sterilization process to ensure freshness and a long shelf life. Then they're filled into bottles, cans, or jars, sealed tightly, labeled, and packed for distribution. At TechFactory, we prioritize safety and quality in every step. And Heather's Cocopeat. Finally, cocopeat is made from the fine dust left after fiber extraction. This material is cleaned, dried, and often pressed into bricks, making it easy to handle and use. Cocopeat's ability to retain moisture makes it popular in gardening, helping plants grow strong and healthy. And that's how coconuts are transformed into so many products we use every day. From coconut cream and oil to coir fiber and cocopeat, every part of the coconut is put to good use. Here at TechFactory, we love sharing the full process and showing how technology and tradition come together to create amazing products. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at natural product processing.